Optimize your blog for Google, a guide for new bloggers. Your small business has finally gone online and you're starting to see some success. Congratulations. Let's take a few minutes to discuss blogging as a tool for marketing your products and services. I have found in talking to business owners that there is some confusion about blogs, what they are, why they exist, and whether or not blogging is beneficial. So, what is a blog? A blog, short for weblog, is a way to inform the world about what you have to offer. It's usually written in an informal, easy-to-read format. Many people like to include a shot of humor into their blogs, while others are all about business or promoting special deals. In a nutshell, a blog is a way to get people to notice your company. If it's fun and entertaining to read, or if it contains special information that the customer has not been able to find anywhere else, you're likely to have made a new friend for your business. This being said, you've got to know how to write and use your blog so that Google notices them and picks them up when people are searching for the product or service you're trying to promote. You can write all day, but if you don't optimize, you're basically wasting your time. Why is optimization important? Optimization gets you noticed. People who are searching for what you have to offer will click on the results that show up at the top of their search. So you want to place yourself or your business into that position to get those clicks. You want to be noticed. If you don't optimize, your blog won't be helpful. Sure, you may have some customers who know about it, follow, and comment, but you won't be using it as an effective marketing tool. You'll never be able to attract new business with a blog that's not optimized. Top optimization tips. Be specific. Name your location and your service specifically. Find out what keywords are most often associated with your business and use those. Don't be afraid to get help. An experienced SEO team is worth its weight in gold. Thank you, and please contact us for more information.